Hey, hello guys, welcome back to my new video. The Vamsi Chipa is here. Today we are going to see that how to create a website without even a single code. In this video, I will tell you that how we can get a free domain, free hosting, everything free. Just watch the video till end. I will tell you everything in a simple steps. Before that, we need to open our Google Chrome and we have to search your Google sites and we have to open this link and here we can find the template gallery. Here you can choose as yourself as you want, as I want to create a project or team as my wish. As I'm taking this project, just a second it will take. And here our project template is ready, and here we can customize ourselves. As I will remove the project name and I will give my name as Vamsi Chippa, and here you can write anything, and here you can write mission of the project, brief mission. Here you can change the photos by clicking here and clicking the on the upload button, and here you can change the font and the size also. Here you can find the content blocks, and here you can find the links which you want to link, and here you will see the pages. As I have the 4 pages of home, history, theme and FAQ, and you can add the new page also. As I will give the contact, here you can create your own page as name, giving the contact, and here you can change the title name also. Project to I will give here Vamsi Chippa, and after that all we have to, I will give you a simple example that after all doing this we have to click on the publish, and we have to give our site name. As I will give you Vamsi Chippa projects, and it's ready, our domain is ready, and we have to, our site is now published. If we want to see our site, then we have to click here and we have to copy our link, and we have to open a new tab, and we have to search your WhatsApp web, and we have to paste that to our friend or whom you want to give, and we have to send them. After sending that, he will or she will click there and they will see your website. This was the video in which we have learned that how to create a website, free domain, free hosting, everything is a free, and it is a trusted because it is a Google, we will trust it. Okay, please subscribe and like our video and do subscribe. Okay, thank you, see you in the next video. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.